Yes, guys, we are going to open a new page, and by making our settings on the new page, we will transfer our image here and draw over the image. Friends, I'm saying new from file. It's asking about the no part here, meaning do you want to save? I'm saying no. I opened a new page. Look, friends, I'm checking the measurement from window. I've come to the window model info section. It says architect tool from the unit section. Look, it says inch. This is what I meant by size, friends. Look, this part here is decimal education. Centimeters are converting to meters. So my drawing is directly converting to centimeters. If there's an architecture section here, convert it to the decimal section, friends. This is a very important part. It's beneficial for you to do this. After I've set the decimal part, my settings are complete, friends. I've come to the import section from the file part. The JPEG part is checked here. Here we have the image and single duration section. I will show them right now. We're also importing the image part, friends. Look, I have a picture of a tablet. I selected the tablet image. I said import as an image and came here. Right now, it's sitting at the tip of my mouse, friends. I do this. I'm not increasing, so I'm not doing it to make it grow upwards. It's just asking me to specify a point. I selected any origin point and held it down. I'm enlarging it. I left it where I enlarged it. Now, look. Normally, when I draw a square around the tablet, I see that the corners and edges around the tablet are softened. Friends. And there's an offset command inside. Did you see it? As you can see, an offset has been made, friends. So, how am I going to draw this? First, I need to use the rectangle tool. Look, it's one of our basic tools, the rectangle tool. Look from this corner with my rectangle tool or from here with the line. I can start from here or I can start from this point. Or I can start from any point. I've come here. Look, I'm drawing with the line. Friends, I pressed the shift key. Look, what was the purpose of pressing the shift key during the prayer? It's locking here, but I will continue from the bottom and define the surface. I'm interpreting the lines. Look, I came and left it here. I'm drawing, friends. I came. I pressed at this width from here. I'm marking this spot. And I'm marking this part up here. Look, I came. I closed this part. Did you see what happened? Actually, I've drawn this part of the tablet. Now I want to see the image on the tablet below. The image is closed. I want to view the image. Look, now there's a feature like this, guys. Normally, if you right-click on any image and select export, it will send it to the texture library here. Look, I'm selecting export. What happened to my image? It appeared, guys. Did you see? And here, press the AirSync. If you press here, you can see the keyboard, that is the mouse. Tablet, guys. Now I will get to the logic there, but I exploded it to show the image. Later, I will show you how that logic works. Look, I want to break this corner point. I will show you how that logic works later. Look, I want to break this corner point. What was my command? The arc command. I selected it. Look, I just came here. Look, it's cutting my arc point from here. I guessed. I double-clicked and let go, guys. Did you see? I made a cut from there. I came from over there. Look, I'm double-clicking and cutting. I made a picture of it, friends. I'm coming down. I came and held it from here. I cut at this point. I'm actually determining my own cutting point. There might be a little shift in the image, but that's okay. Our main goal here is to learn the basic logic. If I had drawn my line exactly on top, I could have cut from there, but I didn't draw it exactly on top. Look, I cut and let go. What happened? I actually learned how the corners and edges of the tablet work. The remaining part was to create an offset from this. I took my offset command. Look at my offset command, guys. Look at my offset command, guys. I took the offset command. Look from the inside. Let's take a look at the inner part. Let's define the inner part, guys. Look, I selected the inner part here. I took the offset command. Look, right here, look, I'm leaving it here. I let go, guys. Now, I'm going to delete this part from the outer section. Look at what I'm doing. I selected it. I pressed the delete key. I selected it. I pressed the delete key, guys. Look, what happened? My tablet is actually resting on my picture, but when I lift this part, look, I will have created my thickness. Did you see that? By modeling like this from this part and over the image, I used both the closing parts on the image and the image itself to create the outer part of the tablet. Guys, that's the thing. And after this push, I'm selecting Mac component or Mac group so that I can easily copy this, guys. If you're going to make 5 or 6 copies of this, it can be a Mac component. But if it's just one, it should be a Mac group. And this way, I've completed a part of the modeling, guys.